Hi guys, what's up? Right, so I have another unboxing to make for you guys, and today there is another product. I'm not sure what company sent me this product. Of course it's from China, but yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it is. Oh guys, so looks like we got another microphone. So I have one over here, which is from Comica. So yes, my dear friends at Comica have sent me another microphone. The last one was CVM VM10K2. This is the CVM VM10K3. What's the difference between K2 and K3? I think the K2, this one's the K2, right? With the stand. Okay guys, and see, that's from Comica as well. I got a lot of products from Comica. I'm going to do all these giveaways for you guys. Right, so let's put that over here just to show you guys in perspective how that looks. Pretty cool, very nice product. Okay, so let me take that out. Never knew that, because put that on the side. So yes guys, so this is the CVM VM10K3 microphone for smartphone. You got the barcode over here where you can scan and you can go and look at the product, the different features. Packaging is pretty much the same between the K2 and the K3. The picture might be different because this is the K3 with just a simple straight stand, and that shows you where you can connect to your mobile phone, and it pretty much looks like the Rode Video Micro. With the shock suspension over here to, combine audio and video, provides a better shooting experience. Of course, if you have a shotgun microphone, it would definitely give you a better shooting experience. And it says that it's CNC, might be of metal, so which is good. And it says over here as well, CNC, easy to install, flexible. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see. So it's super cardioid as well. So it's another shotgun mic. Brand new, sealed. Let's go, open it up. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna do all these giveaways. I can't keep so many microphones in my home. Right, so yep, just put it in perspective. This is the case, came inside this box, nice packaged box, strong. You can use it later on for something else. Carry case, made out of this nylon material, zipper on the top, and here we go. So the presentation of this microphone is that on the top pocket we have the Fluffy, the dead kitten, and on the right side in the pocket we have the jack. One side goes into the microphone and the other side goes into your shotgun, right? And we have some leaflets, VM10K123, same leaflet. Recommended, should go through it, really interesting, tells you about the different products. Because if you are starting up a YouTube channel, I would definitely say to you, get one of the Comica microphones. It's a very good investment, sound quality is brilliant, and we'll just swap it with the Rode. So I'm using the Rode Video Micro. I don't really like the Rode Video Micro. You guys must be thinking that I always use the Rode Video Micro for making videos. But to be honest, I might be getting a wireless microphone, probably from Comica. But at this stage I'm using Rode because it gives me good comparison when I am making other videos, especially of microphones. With this microphone, yes, you should go through this leaflet. And apart from that, you have the same sort of card which comes with the Comica packaging. Then you have the warranty card and silica gel, right? And this is the microphone itself. Now, first of all, let me tell you, by just holding it, I feel that it's really seems to be of good quality. So sort of metal, that's plastic, and in general, that's this one. Let me just take that off. Yeah, so the design is very near to the Rode Video Micro. I mean, I wouldn't say that they've copied it or whoever has copied it, but the point is that it's a good product, and if it does a good job, so I mean, why would you want to pay that extra money for an expensive product? You must have seen my other video, that was a longer sort of microphone, right? So then we have this stand, and wow, what's that? So that's basically you can just tighten it on the top over here. Once that is tightened, you can use this as a Bluetooth connection with your mobile phone, and you can pair it. And you can even take it out, and it's really nice and handy. You can see really looks very handy. You can just use it like that, and it fits very well, snugs very well. On the bottom, yes, you can't, it doesn't open, it doesn't pull, it's not a stand. So all you can do is either you can just keep it like that with the phone fixed on the top, and that's the plate for the mobile phone if you want to fix your mobile phone. And yes, so that goes over here like that. Or you could use your DSLR, but I wouldn't really recommend you using a DSLR. Just use your phone is better. And you can stick it over there, and you can, you can put your phone like this straight, and then obviously you have this little thing to connect to the Bluetooth, and that goes on here. And here we have the full setting. Let me put in my phone and show you in perspective. So the good thing is that just let me show you guys. You know, these upper and the lower part, they got rubbers inside it. So because of the rubber, it gives a very good grip, and you can just tighten that bit a little bit more so that it holds the phone really properly. And then yes, it'll be sort of a your starter YouTube. I wouldn't suggest you that you leave it because it's gonna fall, but yes, it's a very good starter kit for a YouTuber, for an upcoming YouTuber, or maybe you want to do those extra shots with your iPhone, and you need the microphone attached with it. Brilliant product from Comica, recommended, highly recommended. Of course, the sound quality is always brilliant with these Comica products. Yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch my Rode video microphone, and I'm gonna put this on, and then you guys can tell me, you guys can see the sound difference, and you can feel it yourself. Okay, and so I'm gonna switch this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have fixed the CVM V3 on the on my DSLR just to record the video and just give you a perspective that what do you feel the difference is in the sound quality. I'm guessing definitely there must be some difference. You must be feeling it, and that is the purpose of this video, to be honest. Yeah, so I just feel that my DSLR looks very neat with because it's small, it's handy. It looks good. I mean, if the audio quality is good with that, I'll definitely go for that, because this is like good for wind and all that stuff. But yeah, this is tiny as well, but the shock is different with the Rode Video Micro. But guys, tell me the difference you feel in the sound quality of this Comica microphone as compared to the CVM V30. So the mic is over there. Quality is, you can just feel it, whatever it is. And let me know your comments in the comment section below. I will be making another video in which I'll be doing the giveaways, and I'll be talking about the giveaways more. I just need to set up everything up, and hopefully all the stuff is going to be gone in giveaways. So do keep on subscribing, checking out my channel, and I'll be making regular videos of everything, whatever I can. And so yeah, so just guys, hopefully catch you in my next video, and bye for now.